All right, guys. Thursday, Southeast Softwash mobile consultation and repair service. This is one of our customers. We're rolling out of his driveway now over in Savannah, Georgia. Let me put my seatbelt on. So, Jeff Beeman, I forgot he was in Savannah, and he emailed us this morning. He bought this trailer about, let's say, 2 months ago, maybe a little less than 2 months ago, and emailed us this morning. We were just leaving the condo thingy, fixing to head home, and he was having some issues with his system. So it clicked with me. I was like, hey, this guy's only like 15-20 minutes from us. So we just drove over here and helped him troubleshoot. Wound up being pretty much a nothing. So he had an empty tank. He ran a soap tank out on his last job. No biggie, he put liquid back in the tank, but the air pocket that gets created when you do that, that was in the line, and so he was hearing the line sputter. When it's going to do that for about a minute until it purges itself and gets all the air out. So kind of walked him through that, and he had a fuse that was blowed, so I stopped at the hardware store and I got him a pack of fuses. I still got some in my pocket. So I gave him a pack, and I kept a pack, 30 amp fuses. Those pumps come with a 20 amp fuse, but if they start giving you trouble, I usually like to just stick a 30 amp fuse in there and let it ride. They can be finicky sometimes, and a lot of things can make it pop a fuse. So running it on low battery, low voltage, forgetting to charge your battery, anything, there's a lot of reasons why, but usually putting a slightly larger fuse will fix that problem. Yes, I know there are safety reasons why that size fuse is in there, but it's kind of a calculated method. But yeah, he had a couple little issues. Nothing was really broken. It was just stuff that he really was trying to wrap his head around how to use the thing. So what else? He had a wand. The lever on the ball valve on the wand was broken, so he'll have to get another ball valve. And that's common. That we see that a lot from guys laying their wands out in the driveway and they're reeling it up, and it's bing 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 bouncing down the driveway. It'll snap that little lever on especially the Banjo micro ball valves that we use. They're really nice, but that lever is kind of fragile. So just a couple little odd end things. Got him squared away, slapped him a new fuse in. He's good to go. Purged all the lines. Everything's running like it should be. So really successful painter. Lives in an extremely nice subdivision, and there are 3,500 homes just in his subdivision here in Savannah, Georgia. So he's got plenty of work to do. But if you guys are out there in this area and you need some services, we were walking Savannah and I was noticing all the nasty stuff, old buildings. This is your guy. So Jeff Beeman, and his company is Softwash Squad. So he's actually going to be on the local news here in, I guess, a week or two. So they're going to be doing a interview with him, and the trailer will be in there talking about him starting up a new business venture. The reporter for the local news channel lives in this subdivision, so they're going to get him a little bit of exposure. So very cool. Got him squared away. I always dread the troubleshoot calls because it can either be nothing or it can be something, and it's either one of those is fine. It's the figuring out what the problem is. So that's why I decided to just drive over here and actually put eyeballs on it. It's so much easier to troubleshoot if you know what you're looking at. Doing it through email is very hard. So I usually say, hey, shoot me a video of what it's doing and we can try to help you figure it out. So lucky for him, we were right down the road, got him fixed up. So we're going to go home. We got about a 4.5 hour drive, and donuts, Krispy Kreme, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna get my sugar high and we're gonna drive. So if you guys have a good Thursday, we will check in with you probably Monday. I don't know. I know what's gonna happen. Me and this person are gonna go to the office tomorrow and do some work. So we'll check in with you guys next week. Probably won't do another video this week. Hope y'all have a great Thursday, Friday, and weekend, and we'll see you later. Peace.